Okay, we'll be testing out this MH15, Mr. Heater. And so anyway, we've got our propane, Coleman propane. You need a good solid base. I've got this plastic jar filled with aquarium rocks. That makes a good base. So you don't want these things to fall over, especially when they're on. Okay. Now we've got two settings, low and high. I'm going to go ahead and put it all the way over on high. And we've got our valve over here for starting. Just go ahead. Hold it in for just a second. Whoop, it didn't stay. Okay. Let's try again. Maybe hold it in for a few more seconds. And that's it. That's it. Seems to be working pretty good. Boy, that really emanates some heat. So, yeah. Right here you've got your thermocouple thingy that tells the system just what temperature, how hot are we. There's the starting valve. And to turn it off, we'll have to over to off and let it cool down.